Think you know Singapore? Think again. This island city-state is much more than a bustling metropolis. It's a vibrant tapestry of cultures, a crossroads where the East meets the West, a gastronomical paradise, and a playground of cutting-edge architecture fused with lush green spaces. But beyond the bright city lights and the well-trodden tourist paths, there lies an unexpected Singapore, teeming with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Picture this, a city where ultra-modern skyscrapers stand shoulder to shoulder with centuries-old temples. A place where you can savor a Michelin-starred meal for less than the price of a movie ticket. A destination where a mere 5-minute ride from the heart of the city can transport you to tranquil rainforests teeming with biodiversity. This is Singapore, a city that consistently defies expectations and invites you to look a little closer. But don't be fooled by Singapore's small size. This city is a giant when it comes to diversity, offering a smorgasbord of experiences that cater to all kinds of travelers. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, a culture vulture, or a thrill seeker, Singapore has something for you. And it doesn't stop there. This city invites you to step off the beaten track and delve into the lesser-known nooks and crannies, where the true spirit of Singapore resides. In the next few scenes, we'll take you on a journey to some of Singapore's offbeat places, each with its own unique flavor and story. We'll explore the verdant trails of the Green Corridor, take a surreal walk through the eccentric Haw Par Villa, visit the last surviving Kampong in mainland Singapore, and more. Along the way, we'll share tips and insights so you can make the most of your Singapore adventure. So if you're ready to see Singapore in a whole new light, buckle up. We're not just going to scratch the surface. We're going to dive deep, peel back the layers, and reveal a Singapore you never knew existed. Now, prepare to uncover Singapore's hidden gems that you won't find in your typical tourist guide. Trade the skyscrapers for lush greenery as we take you down Singapore's Green Corridor. Let's embark on a journey where nature dances harmoniously with history. This is not your typical tourist spot. It's a hidden gem tucked away amidst the urban sprawl. The Green Corridor, once a bustling railway line connecting Malaysia and Singapore, has undergone a transformation, morphing into a tranquil nature trail. This conversion from a utilitarian railway to a serene haven is a testament to Singapore's commitment to balance urban development with nature conservation. This verdant trail spans a whopping 10.5 miles, providing an uninterrupted stretch of greenery, a rare sight in this city of skyscrapers. As you wander along this path, you'll be stepping on the same tracks that once echoed with the clatter of trains, a humbling reminder of the past. Now let's talk about the real stars of the Green Corridor, the flora and fauna. This corridor serves as a sanctuary for a myriad of plant species, from towering rain trees to delicate wildflowers. As you stroll down this green carpet, don't be surprised if a butterfly flutters past or a squirrel scurries by. Yes, the corridor is a bustling highway for wildlife too, making it a paradise for nature enthusiasts and photographers alike. Fitness aficionados, you're in for a treat too. The Green Corridor, with its undulating terrain and natural beauty, is a popular spot for running, hiking, and biking. So whether you're looking to get your heart racing or your mind relaxing, this place has got you covered. But remember, while the Green Corridor invites exploration, it also demands respect. So tread lightly, leave no trace, and let's keep this haven pristine for generations to come. The Green Corridor is more than just a trail. It's a living testament to Singapore's history and a symbol of its commitment to nature. It's a place where the city's hustle and bustle give way to the melody of nature. So step off the beaten path, breathe in the fresh air, and let the Green Corridor enchant you. In the heart of a bustling city, the Green Corridor is a breath of fresh air. Brace yourself for a walk on the weird side at Haw Par Villa. Imagine stepping into a world where Chinese mythology and folklore come to life, where dragons, demons, and deities exist side by side in a riot of color and spectacle. This is Haw Par Villa, a theme park unlike any other. Nestled amidst a lush tropical landscape, Haw Par Villa is a vibrant tapestry of over 1,000 statues and dioramas, each one a visual narration of age-old tales and moral lessons from Chinese folklore. From the epic journey to the west to the 10 courts of hell, there's a story and a spectacle waiting around every corner. What makes Haw Par Villa truly unique is its history. The park was built in the 30s by Boon Haw, a millionaire philanthropist, and the man behind the Tiger Balm empire. He envisioned the park as a way to teach traditional Chinese values to the masses. Over the decades, the park has seen its ups and downs, but its spirit and charm have remained intact. Art enthusiasts will find Haw Par Villa a fascinating blend of kitsch and culture. The statues, with their vivid colors and dramatic expressions, are a feast for the eyes. They are not just artistic masterpieces, but also windows into the heart of Chinese culture and philosophy. But be warned, not all exhibits are for the faint-hearted. One of the park's most infamous attractions is the 10 Courts of Hell, a dark and eerie representation of the afterlife according to Chinese folklore. It's a chilling reminder of the consequences of moral transgressions, but also a testament to the park's commitment to authenticity and detail. Haw Par Villa is not just a theme park, it's a journey into another realm, a chance to immerse yourself in a culture rich with stories and symbolism. It's a place that will make you question, make you marvel, and leave you with a sense of wonder. Whether you're an art aficionado, a culture vulture, or someone just looking for the unusual, Haw Par Villa is a destination that promises an experience like no other. So if you're ready to step off the beaten path and into the world of Chinese mythology, Haw Par Villa awaits. Haw Par Villa is a one-of-a-kind cultural feast that you won't soon forget. Step back in time with a visit to Kampong Lorong Buangkok, the last remaining traditional village in Singapore. Imagine a place where you can still breathe in the relaxed pace of yesteryears, where the hustle and bustle of city life seems a world away. That's Kampong Lorong Buangkok for you, an idyllic little gem tucked away in the heart of Singapore. Founded in the early 1950s by a traditional medicine seller, Sung Tiao Kun, Kampong Lorong Buangkok is a testament to a simpler time. Now in the 21st century, it stands as a charming relic amidst Singapore's modern metropolis. With its quaint wooden houses, unpaved roads, and lush greenery, it's like stepping into a living museum. This tiny village, home to just over 20 families, is a paradise for history buffs. It's a window to an era when life was slower, and community spirit was the order of the day. As you walk along the narrow lanes, you can almost hear the echoes of laughter and camaraderie that once filled the air. You may even get the chance to chat with some of the residents, who are often more than happy to share stories of their kampong life. But it's not all about nostalgia here. Kampong Lorong Buangkok is also a testament to resilience and adaptability. Amidst the old-world charm, you'll find signs of modernity. Solar panels on rooftops, recycling bins in the corners, and children playing with smartphones are all reminders that even in this rustic setting, life moves on. So, what should you not miss when visiting Kampong Lorong Buangkok? Well, every corner here has a story to tell. Don't rush your visit. Take time to soak in the atmosphere, click a few photographs, and if you're lucky, you might even be invited for a cup of tea by the friendly locals. In a city that's always rushing towards the future, Kampong Lorong Buangkok offers a refreshing pause. It's a place where you can connect with the past while still being anchored in the present. And who knows, you might just find that the simple kampong life has a charm that's hard to resist. Kampong Lorong Buangkok is a living testament to Singapore's vibrant history and heritage. Escape the city and venture into the rustic island of Pulau Ubin. Just a short bumboat ride away from the bustling city of Singapore, this tranquil oasis is a throwback to the country's kampong days. Lush with rich biodiversity, Pulau Ubin boasts of a unique blend of flora and fauna that make it a haven for nature lovers and adventurers alike. Pulau Ubin is where time slows down, and the concrete jungle gives way to mangrove forests, serene beaches, and traditional village life. The island is home to an array of wildlife, some of which are rare and endangered. From the playful, long-tailed macaques to the elusive mouse deer, and the colorful oriental pied hornbills to the majestic white-bellied sea eagles, every encounter feels like a page from a nature documentary. But don't just be a spectator. Get your adrenaline pumping with a myriad of outdoor activities. Take a cycling trip around the island and discover hidden gems at your own pace. The well-worn trails are perfect for a leisurely ride, with the occasional uphill challenge to keep things exciting. And if you're up for a little more adventure, strap on your hiking boots and explore the Chek Jawa wetlands. This unique ecosystem houses 6 different habitats, making it a biodiverse hotspot teeming with life. For the birdwatchers out there, Pulau Ubin is nothing short of a paradise. The island's diverse habitats, from its mangroves to its secondary forests, attract a wide variety of birds. So, whether you're an amateur birder or a seasoned twitcher, Pulau Ubin offers plenty of opportunities to spot and photograph these feathered beauties. So if you're looking to break free from the city's hustle and bustle and immerse yourself in nature, Pulau Ubin is the place to be. It's a reminder of what Singapore once was, a testament to the country's rich natural heritage and a stark contrast to its modern skyline. Pulau Ubin is a nature lover's paradise, offering a refreshing contrast to Singapore's urban landscape. So why not venture into the rustic charm of Pulau Ubin and lose yourself in the wonders of nature. Immerse yourself in Peranakan culture at the Intan, a private home-turned-museum. Nestled in the heart of Juchiat, the Intan is more than just a museum. It's a vibrant testament to the rich and colorful Peranakan culture that has left an indelible mark on Singapore's cultural tapestry. This unique space is the brainchild of Alvin Yap, who has spent more than 3 decades amassing an impressive collection of Peranakan artifacts. Each piece in the Intan has a story to tell, from the intricate beaded slippers known as kasut manik to the traditional Peranakan wedding bed adorned with ornate carvings. It's not just about the artifacts, though. The Intan is an immersive cultural experience. Here, you can delve into the world of Peranakan cuisine, with its tantalizing blend of Chinese, Malay, Indonesian, and Indian flavors. You can learn about the traditional art of batik painting, or discover the significance of the kabaya, a traditional blouse dress that is a key part of Peranakan women's attire. The Intan is a haven for culture enthusiasts. It offers an intimate glimpse into a unique culture that's steeped in tradition, yet constantly evolving. It's a place where you can learn, explore, and be inspired. And it's a place that underscores the importance of preserving and promoting traditional cultures. In a world that's increasingly homogenized, spaces like the Intan are invaluable. They remind us of the rich diversity that makes our world so fascinating. They challenge us to look beyond the surface, to delve deeper, to seek understanding. And in doing so, they enrich our lives and broaden our horizons. So, if you're ever in Singapore, make sure to carve out some time for the Intan. Be it the vibrant colors, the intricate designs, the tantalizing flavors, or the rich history, there's something here that's sure to captivate you. As you step out of the Intan, you'll carry with you not just memories, but a newfound appreciation for a culture that's as vibrant and diverse as the city-state itself. The Intan offers a fascinating glimpse into the rich Peranakan culture that continues to shape Singapore's identity. So there you have it, Singapore unplugged and off the beaten track. How about that for a whirlwind tour, right? We've wandered the lush wilderness of the Green Corridor, Singapore's own secret garden where nature and history intertwine. A hidden oasis in the middle of a bustling city, it's a breath of fresh air for the urban explorers and nature enthusiasts among you. Then we delved into the intriguing world of Haw Par Villa, where folklore and mythology come to life in a kaleidoscope of colors. It's a place where art lovers and culture vultures can soak in the rich tapestry of Asian heritage. Next, we stepped back in time at Kampong Lorong Buangkok, the last surviving village in Singapore. It's a slice of nostalgia, a charming throwback that offers a glimpse into the yesteryears of the Lion City. Ideal for history buffs and those seeking a slower pace of life. We also set sail to Pulau Ubin, an island frozen in time. It's a treasure trove of biodiversity and a testament to Singapore's commitment to conservation, perfect for adventure seekers and wildlife lovers alike. Finally, we discovered the gem that is the Intan, a private home-turned-museum, showcasing a stunning collection of Peranakan artifacts. A must-visit for anyone interested in heritage, art, and the vibrant tapestry of Peranakan culture. Each of these places paints a unique picture of Singapore, a city that's so much more than its gleaming skyscrapers and bustling shopping districts. It's a city that thrives on diversity, a city that caters to a myriad of interests, a city that constantly surprises. So whether you're a history buff, a nature lover, an adventure seeker, or a culture vulture, Singapore has something for you. And remember, these are just a few of the offbeat places you can explore. The city is teeming with hidden gems, waiting to be discovered. Next time you're in Singapore, dare to stray from the typical tourist path and discover the unexpected treasures this city has to offer.